Welcome to VidIQ IA Boost, your hub for cutting-edge artificial intelligence and futuristic tech. Today, we're exploring the top 5 AI tools that can boost your productivity and help you work smarter, not harder. Number 1. ChatGPT, a powerful AI assistant that can write, summarize, and answer your questions instantly. Perfect for creating content or getting ideas quickly. Number 2. Notion AI. Integrate AI into your note-taking and project management. Organize your work and automate tasks efficiently. Number 3. Midjourney. Generate realistic images with AI. From concepts to visuals, bring your ideas to life effortlessly. Number 4. Synthesia. Create AI videos with realistic avatars and voiceovers. Perfect for faceless content creation. Number 5. Pictory.ai. Transform your scripts into professional videos with AI-generated scenes and voiceovers. Save time and produce high-quality content quickly. Those were the top 5 AI tools to boost your productivity. Subscribe to vidIQ IA Boost for more futuristic AI tips and tutorials.